Here's something you didn't know. In 60% of houses tested, yeast and mould were found on game controllers and remote controls. Best I get cleaning. Now, the first thing I'm going to clean is my PS3 with one of these microfiber Durable Superclean cloths. This will not scratch your console, and the great thing about this is it is machine washable. First, I check the console's turned off and unplug all the cables. I've also checked the instruction manual to make sure that I don't damage the console or void any warranties. I'm going to gently wipe around the console to remove any dust that may have collected. Right. Next, I'm going to clean the game controller using Durable's Superclean wipes with Bact-o-clean. Bact-o-clean kills 99.9% of germs and viruses. Now, if you're anything like me and you share your game controllers with your friends, and your friends like my friends, even better reason to clean them. These wipes are also great for cleaning remote controls and other handhelds. Next, we're going to look at cleaning screens using Durable's Screenclean Pro. It's really simple to use. All you do is spray one little bit on the cloth, grab the device and wipe across. It's great for handheld consoles and other mobile devices. The great part about it is it's super soft, lint-free microfiber cloth, safe to use on your LCD TV. It's also anti-static, hypo-allergenic, machine washable, and leaves a protective layer that repels dust.